Countries of the Prophets. 1. Prophet Adam, Sri Lanka. Adam was the first human being on earth. 2. Prophet Idris was from Iraq. He was among the first children of Adam. 3. Prophet Noah was from Iraq. Prophet Noah lived among the people who were stone idol worshippers in a society that was very weak and corrupt. 4. Prophet Hud was from Yemen. He is a less popular prophet in Islam who was sent to the people of Ad. 5. Prophet Salih was from Iraq. He was the descendant of the great Noah, peace be upon him. 6. Prophet Ibrahim was from Iraq. He was given the title of the closest friend of Allah. 7. Prophet Ismail was from Palestine. He was the son of Prophet Ibrahim. 8. Prophet Ayub was from Saudi Arabia. He was an example of patience and obedience. 9. Prophet Ishaq from Palestine. He was the son of Prophet Ibrahim and father of Yaqub. 10. Prophet Lut from Iraq. He was sent by Allah to the people of Sodom and Gomorrah. 11. Prophet Yaqub from Palestine. He was the son of Ishaq and the father of Yusuf. 12. Prophet Yusuf from Palestine. He is the son of Yaqub, and he was considered as the most handsome and one of the most important prophet in Islam. 13. Prophet Shoaib from Syria. He was sent to the people of Madin. 14. Prophet Musa from Egypt. 15. Prophet Harun from Egypt. He was the brother of Prophet Musa. 16. Prophet Dawood from Palestine. He was known for his courage, wisdom, and piety. 17. Prophet Suleiman from Palestine. He had the ability to speak to animals and rule over the jinns. 18. Prophet Ilyas from Palestine. He was a prophet who was sent to the people of Israel. 19. Prophet Al-Yasa from Palestine. He was sent by Allah to the Israelites. 20. Prophet Yunus from Iraq. He was sent to the people of Nineveh, present day known as Iraq. 21. Prophet Dhul Kifl from Palestine. 22. Prophet Zachariah from Palestine. He was born in the city of Jerusalem and was known for his devotion to Allah. 23. Prophet Yahya from Syria. He was the son of Prophet Zachariah and was given the task of continuing his father's legacy. 24. Prophet Isa from Palestine. 25. Prophet Muhammad from Saudi Arabia. He was the last and the most respected prophet in Islam, and the best creation of Allah. Follow for more.